To perform the tests, the packaging must be airtight and made of water-resistant material, especially for immersion tests. The technique won't work with pressurized products like carbonated drinks or aerosols. Also, it's not suitable for cans as the method typically identifies very small defects which may not be detectable in such materials. It will not work with permeable packaging such as cardboard, paper, clamshell containers, or three-sided sealed bags.
Thanks for the detailed explanation. I'll share this information with my finance director. Given the benefits, I think they'll be quite interested in purchasing one.